Belize is known for their lovely white and sandy beaches, tropical rainforests, Mayan ruins, scuba diving, and snorkeling. I'm currently a first-year student with a major of accounting and dreams of one day becoming a certified public accountant. My hobbies include working out, running track, where I placed top 4 in the city for my high jump, as well as receiving numerous medals and trophies. I love to dance, spend time with loved ones, help others, and play a big role in my church family. I believe that I should be crowned Miss Caribbean 2009 because, like my country, I represent peace, love,